Hello YouTubers, my name is Madman1239. I'll be showing you how to make a Lego gun. Here are the pieces you'll need. First you start off with this piece. Like it's like a sword kind of. And you take out your circular like that thick, and you stick it in like that, and there like that. And then you take this piece, your kind of like cone thing, and you stick it on right there. And then you take this circular, also thick one, but only 2x2, and you stick it on from the top. Yeah, and it'll be like that. And then you take this kind of top cone piece, kind of like that. Any color you want. I just chose orange, so it'll be like the firing part. And you stick it at the top like that. So now this will be the holding part, and you shoot like that. And then you take one of these, like a circle sphere at the top, and you stick it at the bottom under the handle. This could be like that. And then you take one of these and you stick it on all around, like top and sides, like that. And then you take this piece and stick it on that, so it'll be like your aimer. Or if you want, you can stick that like that, like that. But I'll prefer you do it like that. And there, it'll be like a gun. Okay. How about we try it on a guy? For example, SpongeBob. It'll be like too big for like a Lego people. It'll be kind of big. Like looks like kind of like a big rocket launcher, maybe. Yeah, there it is. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.